Hey everyone, it's Allie G with Allie G's Everyday Angels Foundation, and I'm with our junior board member, Reese.
Hi everybody.
We're going to show you how to make a sign today to positively start a positive movement within this pandemic. I've partnered up with My Signs, Your Words, which is a DIY sign making business with my good friend Tara. Come with me, let us show you how to make this sign, and we'll tell you what you need to do to get involved. Let me tell you what's included in the kit. You have your piece of wood, obviously, to make your sign. You get your stake to stake in the ground by your mailbox, and I'll tell you why that's important a little bit later on in this video. You get your stencil of your choice, and you have 5 designs that you can choose from, as well as your paint. And I happen to choose 4 different colors for my design. And again, you can choose one of 5 different stencils for your sign. The kits are only $25 and you'll be helping a small business. So to choose your design, email Tara at mysignsyourwords.com. This is a great activity to do with your family, but don't be intimidated. A full set of instructions will also come in each package. As you can see, it is important to have your sign by your mailbox. Remember I told you that earlier in the video? And here's the reason why. After your sign is complete, you're going to take a picture of it on your cell phone and send it to Allie G's Everyday Angels Foundation, whether it's via our website or via our Facebook page. And when you do that, you will be entered in to win a gift certificate to a local business so we can all support small businesses in need. In a time where we know all small businesses are in dire need, this is the perfect opportunity for you to reach out and help a small business within your community. If you would like to start a movement in a different town other than Southington, reach out to Tara and she'd be more than happy to customize signs just for you. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. So again, your kit will include this beautiful sign that you're going to hand make with your family to start a positive movement within your community. For more information, email Tara at mysignsyourwords.com. Bye everyone.